This video will talk through the setting up of a group of products on sale. From the back office menu, click on Wizards and Sim Wizards. Under the Modify Item Price and Sale Price wizard, click Search and select Items. Use the search functionality and filters to find the products to be discounted. In this example, the filters are used to select everything that is in stock for Test Brand. Tick the Select All tick box. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Apply Formula and Edit Prices. Within the Sale Price column, click Set Formula. Set the source field to be the price to be discounted down from. Select Decrease by Percentage. Enter the discount value. Set the start date. Set the end date. Click Apply. The changes to be made will be highlighted in blue. If everything is correct, click Commit Changes. The items affected will now be automatically discounted down to the sale price when sold within the sale date range.